This might look like your simple country retreat, but in actuality, it's home to a criminal.
I just had no idea they were capable of this.
I trusted them.
It's a story that's played on repeat in homes all across the country.
They knew exactly how to get to me.
Innocent people falling victim to a crime spree.
Can't believe how much damage it caused.
You think you're safe, but these criminals are hitting you right where you least expect it. In your septic system. You've seen their faces, but they're known by many names. The assistant. Sure, he may smell nice, but he really fouls up your lines.
But you're supposed to kill germs!
The specialist. Something isn't right in these cold, lifeless eyes.
Is this about the baked-on spaghetti?
The softie. This guy says he's there for your comfort, but he's not.
I thought we were friends. You used to help me when I was down in the dumps.
The eradicator. He claims he'll help you wash those troubles down the drain.
You cause more problems than you solve.
Sound familiar? But it doesn't have to be this way.
It
doesn't?
Doing basic maintenance is important, but identifying what you put down your septic system protects water quality, protects your health, and frankly, it's going to save you a lot of heartache. So the next time guys like these try to walk in the door, you'll know just what to do.
And stay out!
For more tips on how to maintain a healthy septic system, visit iowadnr.gov/septic.